Now speaking of technology, the forced lockdown has led to a strong vote in favor of work from home strategy for most of the businesses to survive. Over this period, we have noticed that even a number of large corporates found it difficult to switch over to the work from home immediately. MSMEs obviously had to struggle more. In addition to using some of the digital communication and project management tools we mentioned earlier, it has become very important for businesses to establish an internal ecosystem that enables smooth remote working. Of course, you will need to put in place appropriate systems to ensure data security and also those that can track the productivity of your employees without being too intrusive. While creating a robust remote work system, it is also essential to automate all secondary processes and put in place appropriate systems, including ERPs wherever feasible. Speaking of feasibility, you might find yourself wondering if this investment is worth the while right now. From our experience, we have seen that short-term pain in the form of investments can go a long way, resulting in long-term gains. Because your business will be able to adopt innovations to optimize productivity by reducing time spent on tasks that can easily be automated. This in turn boosts creativity and allows you to stay focused on those business operations that cannot be automated. Not only will this help you deal with the after effects of the coronavirus situation, but also to stay prepared for the contingencies that may arise. Will we ever get through this? Yes, we will. But will there also be more situations like this? Unfortunately, yes. Understandably, many businesses will treat the COVID-19 situation as a one-time occurrence. And they are right. The COVID-19 situation was probably just a one-time thing. But times of crisis can range from global health issues to natural disasters and more. So how do you ensure that your business is equipped to handle it? Having experienced such unprecedented and challenging times, it is incredibly important to become future ready in every possible way and create an effective business crisis management and continuity plan. This plan needs to focus on ensuring adequate financial reserves as well as a structure that ensures continuity of business without any downtime or with the least loss of productivity. Once this plan is prepared, you should carefully share it with all stakeholders, especially your internal stakeholders, so that each individual is aware of their role in case of a crisis. Now let's talk insurance. You need to aim at mitigating some of the risk of crisis situations with the help of insurance policies that adequately cover your risks. As with most things, the best kind of insurance policies is that which help in minimizing costs and any loss of profit. Here's something that is always important: communication, which is why I saved it for the end. You will always need to keep your stakeholders updated with what you are doing. Depending on the size of your organization, the way you communicate changes, risks, current assessments, and so on will differ. Sometimes you may choose to communicate with them only at the start and the end of your efforts to deal with a crisis. Sometimes it might be important to keep different employees or teams updated along the way. But let's take a look at what your main considerations need to be. At this point, the main thing you need to communicate is the current business position and the future course of action. With being a great business owner comes great responsibility, and it is your duty to keep your team up to date with what is going on. This will help them adapt to any new courses of action because they can understand what the new goals and timelines are. This in turn benefits all the work that you do. Not only do your employees feature in this, but also other stakeholders like investors who expect to understand how you plan on dealing with the situation and how they will be impacted by it. Communicating your new strategies can help you achieve a goal I mentioned earlier, that of a shared organizational future, which will help you grow better and stronger. And that's how we at Faros Consulting suggest you do it. We hope this helps you breathe easier. If you require any assistance from our outsourced CFOs to help chart your financial goals and build strategies towards achieving them, we'd love to hear from you. We can also audit your current digital presence and help build strategies to take your business online. You can get in touch with us by writing to us on the mentioned email IDs and avail of a free consultation call that your business can benefit from. Thank you.